Yep.
What are you doing?
Filming. Support for people who work on the front line even here. Honk for frontline workers at the 7-Eleven.
My name is Bill Williams, and I'm here downtown Campbell River on Dogwood, honking for the 7-Eleven frontline workers that are still working and still dedicated to serving their customers every day. And I'd like to thank them for doing that. And the person that's recording this is Sylvia Williams. And what do you have to say, Sylvia Williams?
Thank you for serving your community and staying open during a pandemic and a crisis when everyone depends on you. We're showing you yours, and I clap for you. I'm happy that you're open. So many people are aware of the crisis and they need to say thank you. We're down at our waterfront videotaping the full moon that's orange. Kenny.